Previously on Alan Wake. Something I only know as the Dark Presence held my wife captive and used her to write a horror story that came true.
I'll bring her back.
Some part of me had been aware enough to write my escape into the story.
Alan?
I saved Alice, then wrote a better ending for the story. But not without a price. I was trapped somewhere in the dark place, a strange zone somewhere beyond our world.
It's not a lake. It's an ocean.
After the completion of any difficult undertaking, there are mixed emotions. Accomplishment and relief. Sadness, depression. For a while, everything was about the work. Like an illness, it consumed you, changed you. You locked yourself away from the world to do it, and now you need to recover. Learn to live without it. Find a way to crack open the door and let the light back in. I knew this place. It was familiar, but wrong somehow.
Welcome to the...
Everything had a surreal, dreamlike quality.
I can't believe it.
I had a disturbing feeling of deja vu. I had no idea why I was here or where I had been before this moment. But something was waiting for me at the back of the diner.
I could really use a tune right now. Number 6 in the jukebox. I'd do it myself, but both of my legs have gone to sleep. Bad circulation. Yeah.
Are you serious? Again? You disgust
Okay,
me. Call yourself a rocker. Unbelievable. Ah.
It does that. Get stuck. Yeah. You need to give it a good solid whack. You put...
Just because we're brothers, don't think I won't murder you in your sleep.
Yes! That's my favorite tune! Now that's what I'm talking about, yes!
This is it. I've died and gone to hell.
Don't go in there, young man. You can hurt yourself in the dark.
I found a video, man.
Alan, listen to me. Go no deeper.
What?
Focus. You're losing yourself. I will try to help the best I can, but it's up to you. Find a better point of contact.
What do you mean?
I cannot hear you. Please, you're the one making all this happen. Concentrate. This is what's happening.
Nightmares. Too deep. Can't take the pressure. It's too much.
Suddenly, Wake found himself face to face with himself. At the sight of myself, the dream suddenly became lucid. The dark place. That's where I was.
You will need weapons. It's not the light itself, but what it represents. You will need it. This is not a gun. It is a tool in a logical process of elimination. Be careful. I will try to find a better point of contact.
I didn't understand Zane's message, and knowing where I was didn't fix anything. Something had gone wrong after I had finished departure. What the hell was that?
Laying in the coconuts.
Day has become night. The diner has become deserted. Then the door was smashed off his hinges and Wake had to fight for his life.
Não dá pra sair esses monte de coisa aqui.
What the hell was that?
Voltei aqui, ó.
Day had become night. The diner had become deserted. Then the door was smashed off his hinges and Wake had to fight for his life.
Get your lunchbox.
Olha. Ah, meu Deus do céu, mas que droga de... Oh, como que eu enfrento tanto inimigo assim, caramba?
Day had become night. The diner had become deserted. Then the door was smashed off his hinges and Wake had to fight for his life.
Ó, praga. Tá errado esse botão. Ah. Meu Deus, cara, quanto inimigo.
Zane! Wait for me!
The world had become twisted. These trees didn't belong here. Ah, vai tomar no zóio também. Como é que...
Wait for me!
DLCzinha chato. Os bichos tudo a...
The world had become twisted. These
É
trees
muito
didn't belong
inimigo, cara. É muito hard, cara. Essa... normal aqui tá difícil.
I knew it was my writing, but the words were jumbled, dreamlike fragments. Reloading frantically. The rounds slippery stone's throw away from the tent. The bed looked inviting, but it was just the radio. I had to go on. She was startled by the phone. The GPS system was working. I hadn't expected that. Hello?
I'm trying to reach you. Can you hear me? Can you hear me now?
Yes.
Listen, I can help you, but you're drifting deeper. I can't reach you. You must come to me. I can't maintain the connection. Use the words. Follow the signal.
It made no sense for the GPS system to work. I doubted any satellite was in range here. These were alien skies, but it was guiding me towards something. Towards Zane?
Tem que ir pra cá, velho.
Something had shifted again. The dark place was playing tricks on me. It wouldn't stay still.
The town itself turned against Wake. Cars flew toward him. It cracked bone and crushed muscle. It oozed hate. It wanted to bury him.
Usar agora, né? Sei lá que é isso. Ah, meu Deus, cara. Os inimigos. Cuidado aqui.
Everything I saw was familiar, and yet it wasn't. Hello.
I cannot keep up. You're going too deep. I will try to guide you. Follow the signal.
I'm trying!
You must face yourself. Follow me.
Oh! The GPS system was supposed to lead me to Zane, but the shifts were interfering with it. I had to keep trying. I wouldn't survive alone. The changes were becoming more violent. The street wasn't so much ripped apart as it was missing. Like some great hand had reached down and scooped it up. Erratic, unstable.
Tem corvo também. O jogo, você não tá abusando muito não? De leve assim? Pô, mas essas... A desgrama mesmo aqui, hein? Ah. Ah. Os combates que tá tendo tenso demais, cara. Misericórdia.
Where are you? Look, I'm trying to follow your goddamn signal.
The dark place is playing tricks on you. You're still going deeper. I'm trying to guide you, but it's hard.
What is this?
I can help you if you just stop sinking.
What? This is bullshit.
It's happening again. Brace yourself.
I was running after Zane, and he was telling me I was going too deep. It was ridiculous, but I was more scared than amused. I felt like I was being hindered by an unseen force in ways I couldn't fight. All I could do was keep going.
Points. Ai, tá chegando algo. E... Anime. Esse caminho, pelo menos, são uma coisa que eu sempre quis fazer, né? Que era pular os muros, pular a cerca.
I don't see Barry.
Look, wait, maybe that's him. That's the way to the chopper.
I remembered this. This happened before we found Barry.
Tem coisinhas ali.
The playground! Wake's pathetic memories of the Wonder Years and the contrary little boy pretending he didn't miss his father he never did.
Ah, tomada.
Beat Wake down.
Chega um negócio virando do nada ali, meu. E agora?
The playground! Wake's pathetic memories of the Wonder Years and the contrary little boy pretending he didn't miss his father he never did. It surged up and beat Wake down. Merry-go-rounds and slides, eager to cave in his head.
O negócio transforma. Eu tava me divertindo com o negócio agora. O negócio me mata. Daí que eu morri. Olha só, né? Ó. Pô, eu cheguei perto do negócio, ele já virou, ainda nem pude fazer nada. Transformou na minha cara, né? Tá revelando ele já. Aí foi tenso.
had to find the key to get the door open.
I'm gonna give Pastor Howard a piece of my mind about this lock. I told him to get it fixed.
Chave dela.
I got the door open. Run for it.
Killer. Achei doido. The cute.
The world was changing, twisting, out of control. It was too big on the inside. He couldn't see the ceiling. Something was moving in there. He was lost. He couldn't find the exit.
Asshole.
Impossível que é, meu. Mas já.
The shifts were getting more severe. I wasn't sure if the place got bigger or I got smaller. The signal was going haywire. I would have to find my way.
Ai, que maldito.
Zane left me a page. He was trying to help me.
Yowza! Mary. Hey, bestseller! Looking good!
You're not real.
Well, no shit. What gave you away? The see-through thing? I'm a figment of your imagination. Just like pretty much everything else you see. Maybe even you.
That's insane.
Yeah, you're right. Everything that happened before made perfect sense, but this is insane. Good catch, Al.
Okay, look. I gotta get going. The GPS.
The GPS, yeah, I know. Follow the signal. Got it. So, anywho, I'm here to help you. The thing is, you need to get a grip, alright?
You nag the way the real Barry does. You know that?
Well, hey, you know, be fair. It's not my fault you think I'm annoying.
I don't think you're annoying.
Ah, babe, relax, it's cool. Just try to stay on the ball here. You need to do what Zane tells you. He's been here for ages. He's like the expert. Anyway, if this is insane, and it's all from your mind, what's that say about you?
Fine, enough. I can't believe I was actually happy to see you.
Oh, come on. Don't shit a shitter, Al. Deep down, you're always happy to see me. Can't lie to yourself, know what I'm saying?
I must be a sucker for punishment.
You? No, really? And I always thought you went out of your way to avoid trouble.
Thanks. Thanks for that.
Acho que não tem interação, não. Vem tools. É munição de qualquer coisa.
I think the signal's pointing towards that thing in the distance.
Yeah, that'd be the Biltmore sawmill.
How the hell do you know that?
I don't know anything you don't. So why don't you ask yourself that? Huh? Maybe you saw a sign for it back in the real world. Or maybe it's the sawmill because I said it's the sawmill and now you can't get it out of your head.
Fantastic.
Yeah, sure is giving me a headache. Or is that your headache? Do you have a headache?
Barry,
Dude, we're bonding. Mama! Hey, Al! I guess the pen is mightier.
if you complete that sentence, you're fired.
Mightier than the sword.
You're fired.
Aww.
This is good work for a night person.
O negócio cai de um jeito tudo doido. Né? Quer andar em algum canto aí.
He can feel it coming. Not even flesh anymore. Just shadows and ghosts and thoughts slicing through his flesh. They were here.
Vai, treta. É ligeiro demais, velho. Despertador. Rainbow Gas. Meu Deus. Vou ter que avançar o negócio. Pô, a diferença é gritante daquela lanterna pra essa aqui. Só uma, mano. Larga. Ô, mania de trocar de arma sozinho. Se pegar a munição logo que troca pra arma já. Ok.
You know, you're gonna have to make your way across here. I'm thinking the solution probably has something to do with those words.
Really? That's your thing.
Yeah, you should probably use them.
Your insight is staggering.
Oh, I know. See, this is the way things should be. I give advice, and you follow. That's when things go right. Get up to something on your own, that's when the trouble starts.
That's horseshit.
Al, I'm not saying anything you haven't come up with first. Figment, remember?
This kind of thing could drive a man insane.
No! This is great! And it's probably therapeutic for you, too.
Wake's own words, littering the landscape. His books common and discarded, like mud beneath his feet. Hardbacks, paperbacks, turned against him. Trash. Just cheap trash.
I had seen weird transmissions of myself before, but not like this. The version of myself I saw now sounded insane, like a demented storyteller who was out to torment and destroy his protagonist.
Inimigo.
Al, come on. You gotta be careful. Those are bad words. Bad words.
Bad words. As palavrões. Oi, que senhora. Esse palavrão aí. Esse palavrão. Bad word. Dizia das palavras ruins, né? Em inglês, bad word também é palavrão. Que desgraça. Tá várias coisas no inimigo esse querer. Vão.
The earth shook. Streetlights pushed themselves up through the ground, flickering madly and spitting sparks. In the shadows, Wake saw far too many figures advancing eagerly, already tasting the kill.
Ah, tá. Resolve na bicuda. Eita, pega.
Okay, this is just too weird. You're weird.
Barry, is all this really coming out of my head?
The way this place is, Al. All that random stuff in your head. Imagination can be anything.
But you're from my imagination.
Yeah. You know what, Al? Do yourself a favor. Don't pursue that train of thought any further.
Poxa. Mais um. São meio burrão, né? Tava começando a achar que esses malucos aqui é tudo infinito. Ah, não precisa se matar aí também, né? Desgrama. Pô, dá uma raiva isso. Esse lugar com queda aqui, não tem nada a ver, né? Ah, gente,
The earth shook. Streetlights pushed themselves up to the ground, flickering madly and spitting sparks.
Tá enfrentando os inimigos, você vai andar pra trás, você cai e morre.
Okay, this is just too weird. You're weird.
Barry, is all this really coming out of my head?
That's just the way this place is, Al. All that random stuff in your head.
Essa música aí parece que tem alguém correndo até perto de mim. Anderson.
You need to get that door open before you can get into the warehouse. That's the way forward.
If I'm making this up, why is it so complicated?
Because you're a complicated man, and no one understands you. But I'm talking...
Barry.
It's a demolition derby! Hell, it's a demolition derby! A death rally! Oh, that's crazy!
Make sure you don't bite your tongue out!
Al, you fight like a maniac!
Ah, acabei de pegar o carro, desgrama.
Hope you're wearing your seatbelt now!
Pô, já estragou já o carro. Ai, meu Deus. Você é vagabundo, velho. Ele bate tanto que for, né? Ele não leva dano, né? Eu tenho que levar dano de qualquer porcariazinha. Botar uma pedrinha no chão que eu levo dano. Precisa aí coisar as armas. Tá falando, é que tipo, tem muito inimigo, mas eles estão mais fáceis. Mas não, é por causa da dificuldade, caramba. Esquecendo que eu tava jogando mais difícil. Mas é um diacho, né? Ah. Ah, não. Caralho, monitor de fiscal, velho. Ah. Esse aí vai tudo doido. Vai se me acertar. Legal, tá? Ah, esse não. Ele suas habilidades Far Cry, o Alan. Então. O que tá faltando? Ah, é, eu de um tiro sem querer. Não sem querer. Ah, meu Deus. Ah, para também. Vagabundo tem uma mira boa pra cá. A mira boa do Josh. Não tem de munição. There. Red box. Vamos sair por ali. É um flare lá, velho. Faz isso. Eita, pega. Não tem emoção pra isso não, mano. Voltem. outro bicho. Eu ouvi o Rochedo, bom dia. Tudo bom? Vou pegar o celular aqui. Viu, apareceu. Só jogando de boinha. Um pouquinho aqui. Aí, Corvil, você tá bom? Acho que eu vou pra lá depois. Eu achei que eu tinha deixado passar aquilo ali, mas não. Acho que ele é pra ir depois. Eu nem reparei se tinha munição de rifle aqui. Deixa eu ver. Vou contar aqui. Pô, os caras me dão um rifle e me dão munição pra ele, então é com o shotgun mesmo.
Hey, what are you up to? I thought this was my side of the bed.
Tá bom, Corvil Rochedo.
He entered the trap, surrounded by enemies. We get nowhere to run.
360, aí sim. Tô jogando a DLC agora. Ah, bicho vagabundo. Ah, não. Ah, pô, não mirou pra baixo por quê? Aí sim. É a DLC aqui agora. Uma das DLCs, né? Tem duas, né? Tô vendo aqui. Eu peguei os colecionáveis, né? Tudo. Jogo base. Zerei no Nightmare lá, que é o hard, né? Mais difícil. É ruim pra DLC. O comecinho aqui da DLC foi tenso. Muito inimigo de uma vez só. Não, esse aqui é o normal. É o antigo. Eita, pega aí sim. Agora tá potente, ó. Lá o que eu achei que eu deixei pra trás. Tô levantando o vento aqui. Esse aí eu... Vento só de um jeito só. Antes travado, ah, entendi. É que eu tô pelo computer, né? Pelo PC. Esse aqui é da Steam. Ele até é baratinho na Steam. Bem baratinho na Steam. Essa versão aqui. Não vou ficar enfrentar esse maluco aqui. Só apelar mesmo ali, pronto. Já dá pra eu pegar o rifle já. Ó, tem despertador aqui. Despertadores colecionáveis. Exclusivo pro Xbox também. Pois é. Então, ele saiu pro Xbox, né? Parece que... Acho que... Quanto? Uns 2 anos depois, não sei. Daí saiu para PC. Coisa assim. A outra. Aí sim. Querendo achar de onde eu vim. Aqui não foi, eu acho. Peraí, eu pegar o rifle lá. É que vai ter como, né? De chegar tá tudo bloqueado. Acho que é aqui, ó. Não, não é aqui não. Eu acho que não dá pra voltar não, eu não sei, eu não lembro direito onde era. Que horário, né? Lugar tudo igual. Aqui perto, parece. Essa lanterna aqui. Munição de shot? Tá de boa então. E Covil, dormiu bem essa noite aí? Descansou bem? Certo? Ah, pega. Pega. Ah, que droga. Uau. Acertei uns malucos aí por erguida aí, porque... Eu venho mais. Às 7 horas, né? Você tem os horários coisados, né? Pras noites sai
I
às
think
de
the
manhã.
dust in this place is setting off my allergies.
You're not even really there.
Seu
Well,
horário
my
é
allergies
coisado.
are definitely here. Listen, see?
H7.
Allergies.
É engraçado, né? E é. Na live quando eu. No trampo. Ah, meu Deus, você foi guardar a arma por 30 anos. Cadê? Tem que acertar. Assim que pouco eu tenho que. Só chupa gatinha. Pula a corda aí, abre as portas tudo. Vem, amor. Pô, é da hora esse jogo aqui. Fazendo os trem, né? Tudo aí.
Stop it! They're waiting for us downstairs. We don't have time for Alan.
I knew she wasn't really here, but she still made my heart ache. I'd saved Alice, but I wasn't even sure when that happened. Was it days ago? Weeks? Longer? I had no way of knowing.
Ah, aqui.
That looks crazy dangerous, Al.
Vai, atira. Vai. Que bola, vai. É por pouco, né?
Hey, lover. Come here. I've got something for you.
I could only hope that Alice was all right. I didn't know what happened to her after she left the dark place.
Zane? Is that you?
Dá uma de James aqui, ó.
Hey, hold that pose. That was a good one.
Like this?
Yeah, but smile a little more. No, that's too much. You want to look mysterious, maybe a little tough. You know how people go for those dangerous bad boys.
But I'm not dangerous.
Oh, come on. You write about terrible things all the time. People want to think that you're intimately familiar with them. You kill Casey in this book. You need to look a little bit like a murderer. Oh, that's good. Do that again. You look handsome.
And dangerous.
You know, I wasn't sure about the beard before, but I was wrong. It looks good on you. Okay, I think we're done.
Great. I want to get out of this suit.
Hey, things are looking up.
Guess danger is sexy.
That was when I was still working, when I felt like a real writer instead of a fraud. It was a good memory. I wished I hadn't seen it.
This area of the dark place is calmer, at least for the time being. We can talk here, but we don't have much time.
Zane, how do I get out of here?
That's what you face. That's you, even as we speak.
Darkness. Darkness coming! Swept him away. Lost. He
here,
What's
Zane.
going wrong?
That's not me. It's just,
Wrong?
I don't know, an echo, a hallucination, the dark presence.
No, the dark presence is not responsible for this. You are making this happen. You're trapped in your own nightmares. You are fighting yourself.
Wade didn't understand it. He would never make it. He would never wake up. He'd get swallowed up in the rising tide of darkness. It was coming. It was coming.
Shut up! Ah!
No, Alan, you must.
Swept away by the gathering insanity, Zane was gone. Wade could feel the pressure gnawing at his mind. The darkness wasn't so bad. It was in him. He felt it. He knew the voice spoke the truth. It was just too hard to think. He couldn't make sense of it. He wanted to go with the flow. Stop thinking and just let go.
Então, né, aqui, o que eu sei, né, é que aqui tipo, ele é escritor, daí digamos que tudo que é escrito lá no lago, né, onde ele foi passar as férias ali, né, é meio que se torna realidade, né. Daí, antes dele já tinha acontecido antes, né? Daí tudo vai sendo tomado pela escuridão. É basicamente isso que eu sei explicar, né? É muito mais coisa, mas eu sou muito ruim pra explicar as coisas. Né? De suspense, de detetive, vendo esse negócio aí. Ah, meu Deus, é muita tranqueira. É muita tranqueira. O que eu tenho aqui? Só isso aqui. Mas se mal encosta no negócio já leva um dano absurdo. Intenso. Pô, mas quantos golpes eu levei aqui pra morrer? 2 só? Meu Deus. Vai ficar recarregando isso aqui da hora. prefiro nem ter corrido.
A stray thought. This evil he faced came from within.
Essa lanterna é forte pra caramba, pelo menos.
Part of him had already done it. It was over. It was finished. He was done. He lost everything even before he came here. Even his sanity was gone.
Ah, para! Vem quando eu vou trocar de arma pra tirar lá. Para de interromper seus pragas. Deu. Deu. Só um tiro. Pronto. Sinalizador. Interromper seus pragas. Tem mais coisa aí, né? As baterias aqui são grandonas, não sei porquê. Só que não é DLC não, o jogo lá não era não. Padrão. Ah.
What good was it going to do? Why had everyone
There you go, Alan.
Hartman.
It's all in your head. You've been making it up. Really, Wayne. Come on. Your delusions.
Why is this happening to me? Lodge. No. No. Hartman. There's no way out. No way out. No way out. I need to get out of here. Get out. No. How do I get out of here?
No, I don't remember what brought us to this. What places we
Continua.
blindly passed. What
Vai ter adotando
turns we
DLC.
missed. When things really matter and we really cared. And simply being was easy. Just having you there.
GGzão. Elder of the Elder God. É isso aí, tio. Não. Olha, falta um despertador e um de papel. Falta do Odin. Se tinha o Thor, tinha o Odin também, né? Tá louco? Faltou um de cada coisa. Rapaz, a gente pegou todos os trem. É isso, pessoal. Odin Serras aqui. Vou ver quem tá online. Encerrar antes, né? Mas enfim. Ah, esqueci que você tinha dado reiniciado aqui. Aí. Ana Franciele. É isso. Bom dia a todos. Muito obrigado pelas presenças. Bom descanso. Tamo juntos. Ah, tá bugado aí o negócio da tela. CG. Pronto. Tamo junto. Valeu. É isso. Deixa eu passar o último anúncio. Meu pessoal. Eu convivo também. O pessoal do Lurk, valeu todo mundo aí que apareceu mais cedo. É isso aí. Tamo junto e até a próxima. A próxima a gente joga outra DLC e faz os trem. Oi.